Hi guys, this is DIALOGHUB, Malaysia's Indian Berhad. If you would like to know what we are doing, what we are selling, you can always visit our official Facebook at www.dialog-hub.com.my. Okay, this is Sean here. Today we are going to share with you on the process of changing LCD of an iPhone. I got my technician over here, so he will do the process and I'll try to clarify step by step on how the process is being done. Okay, shall we proceed? We have with us here iPhone 5, is it? iPhone 5 phone that need to be changed because LCD, if you can see there, is broken and there's no more display. Okay, shall we proceed? Alright, the very first step you need to do is to remove the screws. There are two screws at the bottom of the phone. So gently remove the two screws. Alright. After the screw has been removed, now we are going to use this LCD sucker cup in order to separate the LCD from the phone. Alright, gently press both ends and we're trying to remove the LCD now from the housing. It's a little bit tight. There we go. Alright, now after the LCD has been separated, before we proceed, it is advisable for customers to detach the ribbon of the battery, right? So in order to remove the ribbon of the battery, you need to remove the screws and remove the metal plate. Alright, so that's the ribbon that you need to remove before we proceed. This is one of the tips because we don't want the board to be short-circuited when you do the process. So now once the ribbon of the battery has been removed, you need to unscrew a little bit more in order to release the ribbon of the LCD. Alright, removing the metal plate that cover the ribbon of the LCD. There we go. And gently remove the ribbon from the board. Yep, we are using a special tool for that one. And there we go. The LCD has been properly removed from the housing of the phone. So that's the first part. And we're moving on to the second part afterwards. And before that, there are other screws that need to be removed. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the 10 screws need to be removed before we move on to the second part of the process of exchanging the LCD. So see us again in part 2. Hi guys, welcome back. This is DIALOGHUB, Malaysia's Indian Berhad. If you'd like to know more about what we are doing and what we are selling, you can always visit our official Facebook at www.dialog-hub.com.my. This is Sean here again, and now we are moving to part 2 of the process of changing the LCD. Alright, I'm going to show you the old LCD that has been, the screw has been removed. So this is the old LCD. All the screw has been properly removed. There will be 3 components that will be removed together. That will be the home button, the speaker at the top, and the front camera. So once that has been properly removed, you just transfer all the components and the screw onto the new LCD. Alright, so these are the LCD that we have in-house, and there are a lot more actually. We're just showing you off the LCD that I have on my table right now. We have iPhone 4 4S original selling at 59 ringgit. We have iPhone 5 5C 5S LCD high quality, that will be AAA quality, at 89 ringgit. iPhone 6 LCD 119, and iPhone 6 Plus LCD high quality 170 ringgit. Again, of course, if you like to know more all the parts and selling price of the items that you are selling, you can always visit our official Facebook. Alright, so we are going to change the LCD just now to the new LCD. So this will be the iPhone 5. This is the high quality one. The lower quality, based on our experience, the ribbon at the top can easily harden after some time, and the LCD can somehow pops out or separated from its base. So with this, you can be sure that you are getting a high quality LCD with a very competitive price. Right, now we are moving on to the second part of the video, that is changing the LCD. So what you need to do, just just screw back all the screws and the components to a new LCD. So this is the new LCD. My technician already attached everything. So you can see that's the home button, that's the speaker just now, and the front camera at the bottom of the speaker. So the next step is to just attach back the ribbon, the LCD ribbon back to its board, and the battery ribbon as well. Now he is fixing back the metal component that holds the ribbon of the LCD. And just put the screw back to its place. The next step after that would be placing back the metal plate of the ribbon of the battery. If you got any questions on the parts that we are selling and the price, either you can go to our official Facebook, or anytime you can call our sales agents at these numbers. Alright, so now we are fixing the metal plate of the ribbon of the battery. We also sell the accessories, the screwdrivers, the suckers, the LCD sucker cup if you want to purchase. Right now the LCD already being turned on. It looks perfect, and last stage would be to press the LCD back to its housing before we screw back the last two screws. Gently pops in back the LCD back to its housing. There we go. And finally putting it back the two screws at the bottom. There we go. Brand new LCD, high quality with a very competitive price. Again guys, if you got any questions, you are more than welcome to call us up or WhatsApp at these numbers.